Hi everybody, Lorraine here. I have an 11 by 14 canvas and I'm going to do a swipe on it today. The colors that I have are my Master's Touch Rogue. This is a self-mixed orange, which is very close to the Pantone color of the year, Live Coral. And I have a permanent red along with my black and my white. So let's get to it here. It's going to be a little bit different. I was inspired by a photograph that I saw of some poppies. I'm sorry about the noise on this. This is just a pre-mixed color that I'd like to use up. I'll put that on its side so it drains to one side. I'm going to use very little of the Rogue in here. Just want a tinge of purple coloring. A little more red. Spread this around. I ended up with a little bit more on there than intended, but that's okay. I can cover my sides with it. Bring it right down. Probably better wipe that before I lean into it. Pretty thick on here. It's not moving too much. Get that up a little bit higher. See, this is why I wear gloves. Otherwise, I would have permanently stained fingernails. I know a lot of people don't wear gloves when they do this because they wash their hands right away, but somehow it gets up under my fingernails and I can't get rid of it. So I'd rather just wear the gloves. Excuse me a second. Get the bubbles out of here. So I created some air bubbles doing that. Not really looking to have any cells in here or anything like that. Okay. I'm going to take my pre-mixed white. Cover the top end of it. I did not put anything in here that will purposely create cells. It's just Floetrol paint and a little bit of water to get it to the consistency needed. Just going to use a paper towel. Get the leading edge wet here with my spray bottle. And I'm going to drag this white down over my red very slowly. And of course this is going to cause some air bubbles to come up and a little bit of selling. It's not as much white as I wanted in there. Oops. So I'm going to give that another go. Put a little bit more white in here. Just a nice line of it. I want that paper towel the other direction. I think it's a little longer the other direction. Okay. Just wanted to bring a little bit more of that white down. Okay. I think that will work. Let it run down a little bit. Maybe I'll turn this towards you so you can see what's going on. Just kind of want that white down a little bit further. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't realize that it was completely out of frame there. Move my paints out of the way here. Okay, I have my black mixed up in a little squeeze bottle here. Start with a puddle here. Take my straw. Ooh, sorry. I might need a little bit of red in there. There's not as much red left behind it as I thought there would be. It's all just an experiment, so I'll add it as I go here. Turn it around. Let's do another one down here. Now it's starting to look like what I was thinking. I think I'm going to add some small puddle of red first. There's not as much red in the background as I thought there would be. I'll blow this one up. Ooh, that looks pretty. Looks like the petal is folded upward. A couple small ones down here. Definitely getting messy on this one. Red and black are the messiest colors for me for some reason. Just need a drip of red behind that. And I got that one out of shape, didn't I? Go through just a couple little buds. Just like that. I think this one could use a little bit better shape to it. That. Here we go. I think maybe if we just kind of make the illusion of some stems here coming off. Make sure I don't have any bubbles coming out of this first. Some black down here so that I can just dip my palette knife in it. Just like that. Maybe one here. And down from there. I would like to make it look like I have some little leaves coming off those stems. So I'm going to take a smaller palette knife here. Bring a paper towel over here with me. So. Look at that. Add a little bit here. The illusion of an attachment. Let's see, I don't have anything going on here. And there we have it, a small field of poppies. Pretty happy with that. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. I'm pretty pleased with it. Can't do better than flowers. Let me bring the camera down, you can take a look at it from this perspective. Alright everybody, here we go. Put my camera strap out of the way here. Take a look at the top there. I think it turned out very cool. Very simple, abstract, acrylic painting. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Send me a comment if you have any questions about what I do. I'll do my best to answer them. But thanks for visiting. Bye.